Hello, friends. My name is Rahul, and in this session, we listen an English story and also learn a new vocabulary. So keep your headphone on and listen carefully.
As the days went by, the owl spoke less and less, but he heard much more. He heard people talking and telling stories. He heard a woman saying that an elephant jumped over a fence. He heard a man saying that he had never made a mistake. The old owl had seen and heard many things. Some were good and some were bad, but through it all he stayed quiet. Slowly became known as the wise old owl. People started coming to the tree, not to talk, but to sit in silence and learn. They realized that by talking less and listening more, they could see the world more clearly. Moral of the story: be wise, speak less, and observe more. You will be surprised at how much you can learn when you are quiet. Time for vocabulary. Observed. Observed. This means to watch carefully. Realized. Realized. This means to understand clearly. Wisdom. Wisdom. This is the quality of having experience and knowledge. Through it all. Through it all. This means despite everything.